All shocked and in disbelief.
A Christmas Day tragedy in this New Hampshire home. 4 adults never showed up to celebrate with their relatives. All found dead of carbon monoxide poisoning after Wakefield police were called in for a welfare check.
We don't know what to say about it. It's so close to us.
You go by that house all the time, and now this happens.
It's just, we'll never be able to see anymore. It's just, every time we drive by, we're going to be thinking of that.
The all-time for the day after Christmas as investigators look into the heating system inside the house on Province Lake Road and any other possible sources for the odorless, poisonous gas produced by burning fuel.
Right here.
Emergency officials on Thursday warning everyone to check your fire and carbon monoxide detectors on a regular basis. Also, maintain your appliances, cooking, and heating equipment.
When you have your heating system running, you need to do that. You need to protect yourself, your family.
For now, this large 5-bedroom home near Stump Pond remains. You can see here the doorknob broken to one of the entrances and damage near the window of the door.
Our hearts go out to the relatives and family of those people. Who would expect that? Something you pray for that never happens.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.